welcome to episode 38 of Credit 101. So in this episode, we're going to talk about the different reforms that the CFPB have actually offered us, you guys, and when it comes down to credit disputes. So understand that the CFPB is where you can actually make complaints if you have any problems with the accounts that's being listed on your credit reports. We're going to go ahead and check out their website, but I wanted to tell you a few things about this company. So they want to make sure that they ensure that our accounts are accurate, so we can send in complaints with them. And then if we send in complaints, they will notify us within 15 days of the outcome, usually on an account. Sometimes it may take longer, sometimes it can be shorter. And they're going to make sure that they include relevant information. So say if we have certain information, they're going to make sure that they send this information over to the company that we're complaining about. And then I want you all to make sure that you check out the new requirements or the newer requirements for the collection companies, because there's a lot of new regulation around these different companies. So this is the website for the CFPB. I definitely want you guys to check them out. Look around. This is where you guys can file a complaint. So you can file a complaint against the credit bureaus, and also understand too, most companies respond within 15 days. Every week there's more than 20,000 complaints, okay, that's being sent out. So understand that this is where you guys can file complaints. This system was put in place, I believe, after the crash in 2008, 2009. This system was actually put into place. It's supposed to be it's supposed to be helping the consumers, you guys. So if you have a problem, you can definitely come here and file a complaint and look into other information on here that you can use. So start a new complaint. If the credit bureaus are not removing accounts from your credit reports, I definitely suggest that you guys go there and actually file a complaint. But the CFPB can be a great resource for you. I'll see you guys in episode 39, where in this episode, we're going to talk about those frivolous disputes. And you might need the CFPB for this. So let's talk about those frivolous disputes. I'll see you there.